This is going to be the maiden flight for the SR22T, November 528 Charlie Mike at Mach 1 Aviation. Beautiful airplane. It has the ice protection, turbocharged, and we're taking it to Sedona.
Cirrus SR on the mic, make a right down departure. Remain at or below 2,500 to north of the airfield. Contact SoCal departure, frequency 120.4, prior to class Charlie airspace, squawk 7344.
4240 Mike, Van Nuys, waiting IFR release.
Anybody, 4240 Mike. Tower 620 Mike, share, 16 right.
It's like an A318 or something?
Runway 16 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 16 right, 620 Mike, share.
Cirrus 528 Charlie Mike, runway 16 left, cleared for takeoff.
16 left, clear for takeoff, 528 Charlie Mike.
Airspeed's positive.
Monitor frequency
620 Mike Sierra, traffic 10 o'clock, 1 mile, short base behind you, 577, indicated for the takeoff.
Okay, we're looking for the traffic, 620 Mike, share.
Wow.
Let's get nose down a little bit more.
Nose down, you mean?
Yep.
Okay.
And then if we're over 90, we'll go flaps up.
Okay, flaps up. Now we're looking for 103. There's 103, 106.
600.
Caps available.
You could climb out at 120.
120?
Yep.
Okay.
Van Nuys, sir.
So I'm gonna bring down power to 70 until, is that okay?
Yep.
Gulfstream 620 Mike Sierra, say parking.
Going to Jet Aviation for 620 Mike, share.
Hey, this gives you the glide also?
It does.
Wow.
Yeah.
Compliments of the Perspective Plus.
Yep. You might not want to.
Charlie Mike, contact takeoff departure 120.4.
120.4, 528 Charlie Mike. 52 Charlie Mike, all frequencies.
53 connect to Telford ident, and what altitude will you be flying to?
Requesting 9,500 ident, 528 Charlie Mike.
53 connect for the contact 5 miles northwest of Van Nuys, resume navigation.
On navigation, we're heading towards New Hole, and then we'll make an east turn, 528 Charlie Mike.
120 knots.
Okay, so now we can start our turn?
Sure.
Okay.
Number 53 connect, I'm suggesting you start making an eastbound turn now. Traffic 12 o'clock, 7 miles southwest bound. Looks like a flight at 6,500.
We're turning right now eastbound, thank you, 528 Charlie Mike.
Okay.
Joshua, good morning. November 528 Charlie Mike, 9,500.
Okay.
528 Charlie Mike, Joshua, phone bill 3003.
528 Charlie Mike, thank you.
Okay.
Alright, so we don't need oxygen, right?
November 26 Foxtrot, remain
So when we go to the
Oh,
GPS
wow.
status,
Altitude.
Cirrus Foxtrot will remain clear of the Fox Delta,
We're
roger.
gonna engage the autopilot, is that okay?
yeah.
Okay.
Are we flying heading mode or
No. So nav, and then autopilot,
So let's
and then
wait.
do
So let's first activate our altitude. And we want to move this up to 9,500, right? So we have to move the dot this here. So we have to do it the other way. Yeah.
Southwest 3154, Los Angeles Center, climb via the Sunshine 5 departure, and resume normal speed.
Los Angeles, good morning. November 528 Charlie Mike, 9,500.
Number 528 Charlie Mike, Los Angeles Center, tank it altimeter 3000.
00, thank you. 528 Charlie Mike.
Number 1 Whiskey Charlie, it's going to maintain 15,000, Las Vegas altimeter 2998. Going to maintain 15,000, 2998. South of 3678, contact LA Center 133.55. 3355, Southwest 3678. South of 2383, descend via Cocktail 3 arrival, runway 26 left, Las Vegas altimeter.
Feet per minute. So to descend 3,500 feet, and we're doing 500 feet per minute, then we need 3.5 minutes, right?
Okay.
Okay. So 3.5 minutes. In 3.5 minutes, we would have made how much progress forward? 3.5 times 2.9. 10.15.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the red rocks over there?
Oh yeah.
That's Sedona.
Wow.
Yeah. It's really pretty.
Okay, so can we try weather one more time?
Sure.
Striping beginning at 0600 for all 16 aircraft. Helo pads open for helicopter operation. Standard left-hand traffic only. Runway 03 call when landing. 21 preferred takeoff pilot discretion. Copies on 21 and usable beyond 2 nautical miles. Construction work in progress between taxiway Alpha 6 and Alpha 7 adjacent to taxiway Bravo north side. Taxiway Bravo closed.
Sedona Airport. Automated weather observation 2002. Zulu weather. Wind 140 at 90. Gust 14. Wind variable between 110 and 170. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 30 Celsius. Dew point -14. Altimeter 3015. Remark. Density altitude 7,300.
Welcome to Sedona Airport. Notice to airmen. Monday, June 26th, the runway will be closed for striping beginning at 0600 for all 16 aircraft. Helo pads open for helicopter operation. Standard left-hand traffic only. Runway 03, call when landing. 21 preferred.
What runway is going to be closed?
Pass 21 and usable beyond.
The runway will be closed on Monday.
Construction
Okay.
in progress between taxi.
There's only one runway.
Got it.
You know?
Okay. Yes, we have AWAS at Sedona.
722 Alpha Victor at 10,600. November 722 Alpha Victor, Phoenix approach to Sedona, altimeter 3015, state destination. 3015, destination is half.
And we could probably start turning a little bit more on course again.
Okay.
Now we're past that little range.
Yeah.
I believe this area has the blue dotted lines.
Oh,
We might not be able to fly directly over it, but we could start turning that way.
sure.
But we're still 2,000 feet above, so
Okay. Very pretty.
it's so cool.
Okay, altimeter we have it set. Cabin heat defrost. Fuel system, yes. I can put the boost pump on.
You can turn the boost pump on.
Sure. Okay. That's the airport.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep. So we could make our first call, and we would say that we're 10 miles north,
Okay.
and we're gonna.
Enter midfield left downwind runway 03.
Yeah.
Sedona traffic, Cirrus SR22 November 528 Charlie Mike is 10 miles to the north. We're flying towards the midfield left downwind runway 03. We're full stop in Sedona.
Beautiful.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Isn't it amazing? Wow.
I know.
Amazing.
Scotty, this is incredible.
This has been a bucket list for like 25 years. Okay, so now we can start the descent to pattern altitude. Turn. 6,000 feet, and airport elevation is 4,700 feet.
Isn't this amazing?
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so it's going to be a little turbulent, probably.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I think we can handle it.
Okay.
It's a 5,000 foot runway, so not short.
Plenty of runway.
Plenty of runway. Beautiful.
Yeah, and we're coming up on pattern altitude, 250 feet to go. Should I turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Sedona traffic, November 528, Charlie Mike, midfield, left downwind, runway 03, Sedona.
Perfect.
Okay, below 119.
Yep.
Midfield, flaps 50.
In this plane, it's below 150, flaps 50.
150? Okay, so that's plenty of margin.
Yep. I mean, if you want me to hold your iPad or something.
Could you?
Yeah.
Thank you.
500.
Okay, pappies are looking good, right?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Should drop the nose a bit, pick up speed.
Nope.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep that turn coming. Let him know.
Sedona traffic, November 528, Charlie Mike, short final, runway 03, full stop Sedona. Okay, speed is good.
Okay. A little fast, but that's okay.
Okay.
Start reducing power.
Idle?
And I would go power idle.
Okay. Power to idle.
Yep. Bring the nose up a little bit more. No need to slam on brakes. Still.
Yes, yes.
No brakes at all.
Okay.
Victor, short runway 21, Sedona.
Keep going.
Oh, well, we can slow down and
Okay.
we can, whatever.
Okay.
Sedona traffic, Seminole November 488, Uniform for Victor, taking runway 21 for departure. We're going to be departing to the northwest. Any traffic, please advise Sedona.
Beautiful.
528 Charlie Mike is clear of the runway.